today I'm doing a DIY on a dresser that I got from IKEA. It's called the Rast. And basically I'm just going to be spray painting the outside edges. You do not have to spray paint the entire dresser, just the edges that will be visible once you place the glass on it. So here the spray paint started to run over a little bit. So I took a brush and tried to correct it. And then I went back over it with more spray paint to correct the blemishes. If you guys still have questions on what you need to spray paint, you can look at this image and pause it as you need to. So I purchased these clamps from Lowe's. These will apply pressure and allow the mirrors to dry in place. So this is the first piece that I'll be gluing down, and this piece goes to one of the drawers. Also guys, it's always important to wear your PPE while working with glass, personal protective equipment. Piece at the very bottom, I was not able to get it on video, so I'm showing it to you now. This glue rubs off quite easily, so don't worry if you feel that you've made a mess. It takes this glue about a couple of days to fully dry, so do not sit the drawers up right away. And voila! This champagne mist mirrored drawer goes perfectly with my Angelina bed.